I mean, if I'm taking a losing streak, if I'm losing a lot, I need like 2 or 3 days to get back into the state of mind that I don't care, like focus on the next trade. This is so important, guys. If you hit a losing streak, you really need to forget about it. Forget about the pain. If it still hurts, don't trade, man. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back again. I'm in Cyprus right now in the sunshine. Beautiful weather over here. But yeah, if the sun goes down, it gets a little bit colder. I don't know, maybe we have 20 degrees right now. Hope you're all having a good time. Last week I had a lot of fun with my girl. We've been to Amsterdam, and on Sunday morning we fly to Cyprus. Yeah, it was a beautiful trip in Amsterdam. Had a lot of fun. I mean, Amsterdam is well known for a lot of fun, Anyways, yeah, I'm back in Cyprus now, in my house on Cyprus, and yeah, enjoying some sunshine before the winter season starts. And yeah, guys, this week so far been really amazing, guys. I took 3 trades this week already. The first one was a loss. The second one was a nice winner yesterday. And today I took another position, and I want to talk about these trades today. Overall, I made way more than 10% profit. I think it was like around 13% profit in just 2 days. It was crazy. Yesterday I was heavy loaded up on that one trade I'm going to talk about right now. I shared this trade only with my students inside the inner circle of our team. So if you're not inside, you probably missed out on that trade, but don't worry, we're gonna talk about my trading decision, why I took this trade. Yeah, so you can learn from that. If you need any help, guys, make sure to check the links down below in the description. You can always drop me a private message on Telegram. I'm there to help you guys. I have a lot of valuable knowledge that I want to share with you, so make sure to don't miss out and drop me a private message on Telegram. I will answer as soon as I have time. When I found time, I'm gonna answer your chat personally. And join the free Telegram channel as well. You will find the link down below as well. The free Telegram channel where I keep you updated about results of my students, my results, when I drop new videos, when I make giveaways. Sometimes I'm sharing trading ideas in there as well. And yeah, all that good stuff, guys. So check the links in the description. Don't get fooled by anybody in the comment section. There are some guys who try to get you into WhatsApp and stuff like that. I'm not gonna send anything in the comment section. Just use the links in the description, okay? Just to make sure you're not getting wiped out. So overall, I made more than $1 million in like 2 days. But last week I took a big hit. So on this day, this is Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. On Wednesday, we had this crazy push where I've lost 650,000 on that day. That was really horrible. Market was pushing up like crazy, and I tried to sell into this huge push. Don't know, man. When I lost this first trade, my mind switched off. I started to take revenge trade, which is so stupid. I didn't wait for my setup, but yeah, the market was pushing so fast. I was like, damn it, this can only be a liquidity grab. But bro, this thing was running like crazy, and I lost like 600,000, man. Just before my trip to Amsterdam, I was so pissed, and I didn't trade it a couple of days. And yeah, now I'm back at the charts, trying to move with the flow of the market, So, and that's what I did this week, guys. Let me show you exactly what was happening in here. Let's go to a little bit lower time frames. Let's check the 15-minute chart. So the first trade that I took was a buy position. As soon as the New York Stock Exchange opened, I had this beautiful blue candle in here, and I was like, okay, this thing wants to continue to move up. I mean, we had this aggressive push from last week, right? And I was like, okay, let's target last week's high. We'll probably push up to last week's high if it pushes up, But the market had other plans, and as you can see, it turned around. The market turned around, as you can see, just after taking these stops out in here. It continued to move down. I was like, all right, this thing probably will fill this whole move down. So probably this is the next target we should face. This was my main target, right? And so I decided to switch sides, guys. You need to understand, you cannot force your will onto the market. You need to read what the market's trying to tell you. And if the market tells you that it wants to go down, you should better start selling and not buying, you know. And yeah, that's exactly what I did. So I got into a sell position straight after after the market hit my stop. It was going pretty quick. My stop got triggered pretty quick. And yeah, then I started to sell, loaded it up on the pullback a little bit more, and then on the way down I was pulling some more positions into the market and was just moving so good. My first target was 11,800 big figure number. This was where I took my first profits, guys. This is where I took all my risk from the table. And I think on the next move, 11,750, I was able to close some more. Until today, I had a runner running from yesterday straight, a runner running. Yeah, I had one last position in the market. And this one I just closed at around, I think it was 650 or something. Not 100% sure, but I definitely took profits somewhere in this area in here, just below this significant low. This is where I took most of my positions off the table. I closed everything, guys. I closed everything. And yeah, but I had this one runner, as you know, but let's talk about the trade that I took today. All right, so what we had in here, I was ready for another sell, guys. Let me show you real quick what was happening. So as you can see, the market was, we had this high in here, right? We had this high in here, and I think we had this high in here as well. And the market took out this high, and then we had this 30-minute candle, which was pretty strong in my eyes. It was the candle that opened the New York session. Not the New York Stock Exchange, but the New York session started at around 8. And we took out some highs in here. We took out some highs, and we had a reaction that this thing wants to go down. So this was my confirmation that I'm going to sell this thing, put my stop above at around 11,830. And then I was just waiting for the New York Stock Exchange to open. And as you can see, it opened pretty aggressive, pushing down to yesterday's lows, pushing down to Friday's lows, pushing through all of this and going down even further to bounce back from that huge crazy move that we had last week. And yeah, I took profits. I took first profits at around yesterday's high at around 11,730. This was where I closed like 80% of my position, and then I closed some more at around 11,700, and I closed yesterday's runner that I let open as well, to finish that day with around more than 500 grand just today. And yesterday had a 500k day as well. It was beautiful, guys. If I'm taking a losing streak, if I'm losing a lot, I need like 2 or 3 days to get back into the state of mind that I don't care, like focus on the next trade. This is so important, guys. If you hit a losing streak, you really need to forget about it. Forget about the pain. If it still hurts, don't trade, man. You're not gonna make the right decisions. You really need to overcome the pain and focus on your game plan, okay? Focus on your trading plan and just do that. Don't get bothered by wins or losses. Don't get emotional because you're winning or you're losing. Don't get emotional, guys. Just stick to your plan. Losing streaks and winning streaks can be so hard, can give you so hard times from the emotional side of things, that you're gonna make wrong trade management decisions, or that you take the wrong entry setup, like, or you're not waiting for your entry setup. Yeah, you're just getting in without any confirmation or whatever, you know. So really get your mind right, guys. If you are on a winning streak, don't get too excited, don't over risk, guys. Really stick to your plan. Same thing when you lose, guys. Don't lose your confidence, okay? Stick to your plan. If you see your setup, execute. Don't over risk, just stick to your plan, man. Because if you are not taking the next setup that you see, you're shy, you lose this opportunity. This could be the opportunity that gives you all the money back that you've lost on the previous 4 or 5 trades, whatever. So yeah, that's it, guys, for today. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure to smash that like button. YouTube loves it. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Peace.